Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the Help menu of a Google Doc. If you look at the top, it will probably be the very last one that you see, but the Help menu at the top of the document. Click on Help. You'll notice that there are a few different things to click on. The first one, if you're not really sure what to do, you can just search the menus. If you're not sure how to make text bold, you could probably just type in Make Text Bold. And find out how to do that. But there are some more specific options. We're going to be looking at specifically the Help function in Google Docs in this video. So if I click on Help, I get a user interface window that pops up, and there's going to be a bunch of different suggestions. These are the popular ones. You can visit the forum, where there will be all sorts of questions being asked and answered by Google experts. But what you're probably looking for is to just search the Help. So I don't know how to insert a table. So how do I insert a table? Hit enter, and then I get a bunch of different articles and suggestions on things to open up and read that will show me how to insert a table into a Google Doc or format it or whatever. There's all sorts of different things available. So if I look for the one that is closest to what I typed in, add and edit tables, clear explanations here. Oh, are you on an iPhone or an iPad? Are you on Android? Are you on a computer? Check whichever one you're on, click on it, and then you'll get more directions specifically for that type of device. As you scroll down, how to add a table, it gives you more options. So the Help menu in a Google Doc is a fantastic resource for you to understand how you can get help on doing certain things that you may not know how to do in the moment. Honestly, this is one of the best things that you can do as a Google Suite user, is just understand how to access the Help feature in whatever kind of document you're in. It's going to be the fastest and probably the most reliable means for you to find the help that you want. So make sure you understand how to do this. Use it frequently. It should probably be your first resource whenever you're stuck and need help. But it is a really fantastic tool, and you're almost certainly going to find what it is that you are looking for.